Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making an autumn card using Falling for Leaves, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and this is cut at 2.5 by 4 1/4. I'm going to bring in my Cajun CRAZE. And from the Falling for Leaves, we're going to be using Thinking of You with a Grateful Heart and these leaves here. And I have the sentiment mounted on clear block D. So we'll get that inked up. And I want to place it sort of in the center. So just like that. I'm going to bring in a piece of paper and my soft suede. And then I have the leaves mounted on clear block C. And I want them coming right here. And then I want them coming down here. So just like that, and we'll put that aside. All right, so our card base is soft suede, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And we're just going to put this down with some SNAIL adhesive. All right, so just like that. And then from Nature's Poem, I have, excuse me, a piece cut at 3 3/4 by 5. All right, and then I have a strip of soft suede, and this measures 1.5 by 5.5. And then I have the braided linen trim, and I think I'm just going to run that around a couple of times. So just like that. I'm going to go ahead and secure it with some tape. All right, so just like that. Then we're going to get our sentiment. So I just recently went to the iPhone. Well, I haven't yet. It is coming in the mail today, or through UPS. This piece of Cajun CRAZE is cut at 2 5/8 by 4 3/8. And I have had an Android since Android and iPhones have been competing. Everyone else in my family has an iPhone, but I have my iPad Pro and my MacBook, so figured it was time. and will make a lot of things so much easier. So I ordered the iPhone XS Max. So if y'all have that phone, let me know if y'all like it, if y'all hate it. Got a couple of days to decide if I want to keep it. And they come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. So I don't think the transition's going to be too hard. If you've made this transition already, please let me know if it was hard or easy or just didn't matter. I'm pretty nervous, but I do like iPhones. I get to play with my kids and my husband's all the time. All right, so we're just going to put that right there in the center. So we have a quick and simple thinking of you card. It's great for this time of year. Thanks for watching. And if you need any of these supplies, click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. And don't forget to give me your comments, whether you're an iPhone or Android user. Bye!